Grocery store dialogue. Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Great, thanks. Everything okay?
Yes, I found everything. Thank you.
Paper or plastic?
I brought my own reusable bags. Thanks.
Oh, you're so good for the earth. What is this? Is it cilantro?
Yes, it is a cilantro.
Thanks. Sometimes it's hard to tell the herbs apart. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I will pay with a card.
Debit or credit?
Credit, please.
Please swipe your card. Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping at Walmart. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. You too.
Grocery store dialogue, questions and answers.
Where is Babita?
Babita is at Walmart.
What kind of bag does Babita use?
Babita uses reusable bags.
Why does the employee tell Babita that she is good for the earth?
Babita is good for the earth because she uses reusable bags, which means she's not using plastic or paper bags.
What kind of bags do you use? Why?
Many possible answers. I use reusable bags because I don't want to cause extra pollution. Or I use plastic bags because I can reuse them at home for trash.
How does Babita pay?
Babita pays with a credit card, or Babita uses a credit card to pay.
What is an employee?
An employee is someone who works for a business.
What are herbs?
Herbs are plants with strong scents and/or flavors that are used in foods and drinks, medicines, perfumes, etc.
What does swipe mean?
Swipe is a verb, the action of sliding the credit card through the machine.
What is a receipt?
A receipt is the paper, in this case, slip that lists the items purchased and the prices.
Why do you think the employee asked about the cilantro?
Many possible answers. Sometimes it's hard to tell the herbs apart. Or cilantro looks like other herbs. Or cilantro looks like other herbs such as parsley, and the employee wants to make sure that he charges Babita for the correct herb. Or the employee wants to make sure Babita is charged correctly.